Sometimes, in pottery, a pair of hands isn't enough, and you have to call on colleagues for help. Even if what you do is unclear to everyone, do it beautifully, like this blue box. Only a culinary genius can make a bouquet of roses from tomatoes and a bunch of parsley. At first glance, this guy doesn't seem like a nimble fast food worker, but his talent lies in doing everything quickly. In the hands of a true professional, the impossible becomes possible. I doubt just anyone can draw a bull using a broom and mop. The name of this unknown fruit remains a mystery. Inspired by the favorite Japanese movie about Godzilla, this master decided to recreate its image using grains of rice. Since ancient times, the people of China depicted a predatory dragon on their drums, which protected them on their journeys. A good owner should take care of his sidewalk and even wash it if necessary. It's unlikely that this gardener can distinguish a square from a rectangle. After gluing, the wooden veneer is cut by hand. When loading the harvest, one must be able to accurately present the basket of vegetables. You don't necessarily have to build a brick wall if you can mimic it. After several hours of hard work, the mysterious mud mixture transforms into beautiful patterns. This is the largest cheese braid I've ever seen. To ensure that ceramic tiles adhere well, the solution must be applied evenly. When putting on a pizza making show, make sure it doesn't slip out of your hands in the process. Bamboo, when grown, is cut by tens of thousands and then transported to production. Laying facing bricks requires heightened skills and attention. It seems like this guy is just juggling watermelons. The main thing is not to miss. Over the years, vines can engulf an entire house, requiring removal. Cleaning a carpet is no problem with such a powerful washing machine. Private farmers sometimes use a special irrigation system with a mesh. Aloe vera is mainly grown for the production of commercial products, primarily as local treatment over centuries. It's possible to harvest wheat with the help of this small tractor, which immediately ties them into sheaves. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.